Hey everyone, welcome back to Webam Rebuild. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from a video in Canva. Super easy and beginner friendly. So if you have created a video and that Canva watermark is getting in the way, don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's jump right in. So as you can see, I have opened the Canva project. So now I'm going to upload a video. And it's uploading. So after uploaded, just drag and drop. So now you can see the watermark on the top left. So how you can remove this? So there are many ways to remove this watermark. So first you can resize the video size. So first you have to detach this video. Just right click and then here click on detach video from background. So after detached and then just resize the video size and your watermark will be gone. So I will show you another way. So you can add a image or text or your own logo. Like I'm gonna add another text logo. Select a font. And this is another way. Or you can also use a logo image. So previous logo will be hidden. So after that, you can also use video watermark remover. Just search for video watermark remover, and then you will see this website. You can use this for remove your watermark. Just click on the website, and then you need to upload your video. So now I'm gonna show you how you can remove watermark by using this. So just click on remove watermark now, and then click on upload here. Now you will have to create an account. After that, you will be able to upload your video, and then you can remove your watermark. The easy, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to remove watermark from your Canva video in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs, subscribe for more easy tutorial, and drop a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.